over here.
Yeah.
I'm putting on my hood. This is my hood.
You say something about the Maleny Botanical Garden,
bird.
yeah. The birds.
I had a bird on my shoulder. It went on my bracelet. But this is not the bird scratch. It's a cat scratch.
Okay.
You might think it was a bird scratch.
Behind the flowers. Come here.
Flowey! Mom, don't pick them though. Remember what I said?
It's a lovely weather.
Around everywhere. That is correct. I know. Any frog? Frogs like to jump really fast. They can go underwater.
Hello.
Hi. There's a frog, I think, under the water, swimming like this. Like a kangaroo.
Look there. Oh,
Mom!
I know.
Look at that yellow tree. Want to see my running jump?
Stop muna kasi picture. Kasi
Follow me.
Ja. Ja, oh, come here. We take a photo of me and Daddy. There. You just place later. We just have a photo. Later. No, later. When you do the back, yes, you need to wear that. I will take a photo there.
Oh! We're far away already.
started, I do need to run through a quick health and safety, so please ensure you are listening closely. Number 1, please make sure that you're always watching the ground where you're stepping. We have had birds trodden on in the past and severely injured, so please be constantly checking where you're stepping and try to refrain from stepping backwards at any time throughout the tour. Now number 2, please ensure you remove anything expensive, shiny or valuable, everything from your chest upwards. Anything you do not want damaged or broken, you should remove. For example, but not limited to, earrings, necklaces, rings, hearing aids, anything sort of fidgety and trinkety. They love to steal the rivets and eyelets from your hat. They will occasionally try to steal buttons from your shirt. Our birds have very strong beaks and very inquisitive natures, so please remove any and all accessories. Number 3, please ensure you are always staying to the paths. So you'll notice that our garden and food table areas are lined with rocks. So please do not step over those rockeries. That means that is a human-free zone. Please don't take food from any of our birds' bowls, and please don't try to lean or reach over those rock areas. Now lastly, and most important, please be aware this is an interactive experience. Most of our birds are friendly and some will come and land on you. There are not many places around where you can have this level of interaction, and as exciting as it is, there are some risks involved. Parrots are not a domesticated animal the way that cats and dogs are, and while we take all precautions, bites are still possible. For your safety, we ask that you keep your arms by your side unless directed otherwise by your tour guide. If you would like to hold a bird or remove a bird at any time throughout the tour, please check with your tour guide and they'll be able to help you out with that stuff. Our birds can be just like children in the ways that they are cheeky, shy, some are a little bit naughty, so please make sure to check with your tour guide before trying to hold or handle any of our birds. Now we do have the feather dusters, which you'll see here in the reception area. These are bird removers. If you do hold them up around your head and shoulder area, it will deter the parrots from landing on you. You can also use the feather duster to gently brush off any extra curious birds that you may find. We just ask that you do not pat, chase or hit the birds with the feather dusters, and please only try to use them if the birds are actually doing something wrong. Now please stick with your tour guide for the duration of the tour. If you would like to head out for any reason, please go and see your tour guide and they can arrange for you to exit. For the safety of the birds, myself and the staff here at BirdWorld are the only ones to be operating any doors within the aviary complex. Overall, most of our birds here crave human attention and love this opportunity to interact with you. In fact, 17% of our birds here now are actually unwanted pets, birds from rescues and deceased estates. Some have come from incredibly sad situations. If you do see a bird that you're concerned about at any point throughout the tour, don't be shy to have a chat with your tour guide. They can tell you a little bit more about their story. Alrighty guys, now any questions throughout, have a chat with your tour guide. They can help you out with anything you may need. Alrighty, enjoy.